Edo Commissioner for Ministry of Roads and Bridges, Engineer Ethan Uzamere don talk say most of the ministry projects for road construction don reach 95% completion. The Honourable Commissioner talked this one for one talk session with Tori people when Edo State Governor Obaseki come on Tuesday, November 5, 2024 to commission the Benin Technical Road Phase 1 plus the internal roads for Government Science and Technical College where the ministry constructs wey dey along Technical Road off Ugbawa Road, Benin City. Governor Obaseki with him team land the commission site around 2 o'clock for afternoon for the official commissioning of the roads. The governor of Enugu State, Peter Mba, wey join body with Oga Governor Obaseki for the commissioning, commission the roads to the glory of God and for the benefit of Edo people and mankind, while Governor Obaseki can open the commissioning plaque.
With immense joy and pride that I perform this formal commissioning of the internal road networks and also the external roads of a total 12 kilometers to the glory of God and for the benefit of the Edo people and mankind in general. Thank you.
The construction of internal roads in Government Science and Technical College, constructed by the government of Edo State under my leadership on this 5th day of November 2024, to the glory of God and to the young people and students of this school. So thank you very much.
Give him a round of applause.
For a talk with Tori people, the Commissioner for Roads and Bridges, Engineer Ethan Uzamere, can talk say,
for us in Edo, we know we have about 70% of the year is heavy rainfall, and most of the Edo for the past few years, because of lack of planning, faced a lot of erosion issues, actually statewide, and especially these areas. So it was when His Excellency decided to come to Benin Technical College in 2017 to kickstart the process. It was very important for us to also kickstart the internal roads and also the external roads and the full ecosystem around here. For the internal roads, we have about 2.2 kilometers of road network. For the phase 1 of the Benin Technical College road, we have about 5.2 ready. We also have a phase 2 coming with also some erosion control measures as well. Well, most of our projects as of today are about 95% completed. So it's just for us to show the people of Edo what we have been doing for the past few years in terms of road construction.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.